Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the official Google Pixel 7a case for, obviously, the Pixel 7a. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Starting off with the price, this case does go for $29.99, so it's in around the medium range for a case for a phone. Usually, I prefer going for $15-20, and that's with speaking cases. They do make some quality cases at that price point, but again, this right here does go for $29.99, so it is better than other companies when they make their own cases. So let's go ahead and open this up. Taking a look at the packaging, very simple and nice. We do get the Google logo up top, Pixel 7a case, and in the C color. So we actually do get a lot of colors this time for the official case. And just to show you right here, we can see that we have coral, sea, seafoam, snow, and charcoal. So again, a lot of color options for the Pixel 7a case, just with the colors that we get for the Pixel 7a. So opening this up is very simple. All we have to do is just pull from the top. All right, and our case should just slide out. Nothing else inside of here. Put this to the side and push our case out or pull it out. And here is our case. So usually I really do love Google's official cases. They are very premium, and the buttons and everything, they just feel super nice. And I think I'm gonna have a similar feeling towards this case for the Pixel 7a as well. So on the inside, we do get this cardboard cutout. All we have to do is take that out. And then here is our Google Pixel 7a case. So we do get a nice metal logo right there for the Google logo. We do get some nice metal buttons. And then on the inside, we just get the Pixel writing right there. But other than that, there isn't any other type of branding, which is super nice and clean. So placing our phone inside the Pixel 7a right here, all we have to do is just plop it in from the bottom or the top, and here is our phone inside the case. So the C color 7a goes inside of the C colored Pixel 7a case, and it just looks really nice. So as we can see, the camera cutout is perfectly protected inside of there. We do get a nice lip around it, and it does also keep the flat back, so we won't be getting any wobbling from this case, which is super nice. Also on the back, again, we do get the Google logo, but nothing much else on there, so a very nice and clean design. Moving on to the front, we do get a lip all around the case. As you can see, it goes all around the display, so we do have a front display that is protected from your drops, which is good to know. And then we also do get a nice little cutout for our top firing speaker, so we won't be losing out on sound quality either. So the material on this is going to be silicone. It feels really nice in the hand and very premium. And then we also do get cutouts for our USB-C charging port and our bottom firing speakers. Again, we won't be losing out on sound quality. We do get a nice little microphone cutout up top, but other than that, that is about it. So this case does have metal buttons, as I stated, and these are usually super nice and clicky. So if we do go ahead and test them out, starting off the power button, again, super nice and clicky, and the volume rocker, again, super nice and clicky. So always good to know that we do have a very premium case. So this case looks very beautiful on the Pixel 7a. I cannot lie, I am really loving this case. But one thing I do want to check out, and some of you might be wondering, since we do get all these colors, you might want to have this for maybe your Pixel 6a, since it does have the same size. Let's go ahead and see if this actually works. So taking the Pixel 7a out, all we have to do is just push from the top corners, and it just gets off like that, so super easy. And if we do go ahead and place the Pixel 6a in here, so hopefully this works, boom. All right, so the front looks good. You still keep the lip, but unfortunately, the camera array is a tad bit different. So it's a little bit higher than what the Pixel 7a has, as you can see right here. And so because of that, unfortunately, the case does not fit, or the phone does not fit the case. But one thing I do want to test out real quick, we still do get the functionality of our camera. As you can see, 2 times 0.6, so we are not losing out anything from the camera, but it just looks bad. The case is a little lifted, and we don't get the full front protection we need, since the lip now does not actually go above the display, and the buttons aren't actually lined up perfectly. So this case basically does not work with a 6a. Unfortunately, you can't get all the colors that you want, maybe from the 7a series, but again, that should be fine for most people. So that'll basically wrap it up for this video. As always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.